In this lab, we will be able to host our own Internet of Things central server and be able to send and monitor the Internet of Things traffic. First, we're going to go ahead and open up our Ubuntu SRV. And we're going to go ahead and log in. We're going to go ahead and open up the terminal once this gets loaded. And in the terminal, we're going to type in the following command. We're going to type in this command, and then when prompted to submit our password, it's going to be ndglabpass123 exclamation mark. Now we're going to visit the site on the local browser. Now that it's opened up, now that the Things board server has finished booting, we can put our default login information. Once we logged in, we should see something like this, all these widgets, and we're going to click on the menu button at the right corner and select Profile. And for security purposes, we will change the default credentials. We're going to change the email address. We're going to save. Once we log back in, we're going to go ahead and click on the Tenants tab. Once we're in the tenant screen, we're going to go ahead and delete the tenant. Pop-up screen will pop up. We're going to press yes. So now that the default tenant is gone, we will create a new tenant. Or click the add sign. We're going to leave the tenant profile as default. Title, we're going to type in NetLab. We're going to add. And now we can see that the NetLab tenant has been created. And we're going to click the Manage Tenant Admins. We're going to click the Add button. Okay, for the email, we're going to do this email. We're going to add. We're going to click the Copy button. Okay, we're going to close out. We're going to start a new tab in the browser and paste the copied link. Then we're going to create a new password. It's going to be MDG. Or create password. Now we're in the main admin page, and in the upper right corner should show that you're logged in as NetLab. Click the customer button. We're going to click the add button to add a new customer. Good. Add a title to it. We're going to leave the rest blank, and we're going to add the customer. Okay, now we're going to move on to the next section. We will create and add a device to the things board server. We're gonna add a rule chain first. Go ahead and click rule chains. We're gonna add to create a new rule chain. And the new rule is going to be temperature rule. Okay, so we will have two rule chains. Okay. We're going to open the rule chain. And on the left side, we're going to find the message, type switch, right here. We're going to click and drag it to the grid on the right. Once we've dragged it over, we're going to get prompted, and on the add rule note message, we're going to go ahead and type post telemetry as the name. We're going to add. Next, we're going to find the check existing files and drag it to the grid. Okay, once we've dragged it over, we're going to add a rule node.